Ladies, this will save you so much money. I'm about to save you so much money. Hi and welcome back to my channel. I'm Krissy, and as you can tell by the title of this video, it is going to be how I lay my hair, install my hair, melt my hair. I don't know what I'm going to call it yet, but basically just how I put my wigs on. Ladies, this will save you so much money. I'm about to save you so much money. You don't always have to go somewhere to get your hair done. I don't go somewhere to get my hair done. I always do my hair myself. I don't think I'd be walking around crazy. I mean, people at least don't tell me that I be looking crazy. Hopefully I don't look crazy. But you don't always have to go somewhere to get your hair done. You can do your hair yourself. Especially during this quarantine, use this time right now. Use this time right now. Right now. Are you listening to me? Use this time right now to practice. Ain't nobody gonna see you in your house, and all of y'all should be in your houses. I'm gonna show you guys how to do your hair. Make sure you guys like, comment down below, and subscribe. Also hit those post notifications when you get a chance, so when the next video comes out, it can make a boop. Yes, okay, so I did get this hair from Beauty Forever. I did make this wig myself. It is a frontal in 3 bundles. The frontal is 18 inches. And then I have 3 bundles. So that's 20, 22, and 24. I already got my ball cap down. Don't laugh at me. It is my favorite part though. I love like seeing how my head looks with the ball cap down. I think it's really fundamental when putting down my wigs because it makes it look like it's growing right out of my scalp, and I think it takes better care of my edges and my hairline rather than putting the wig directly down on like my hair. So that's what I personally think. That's my preference. You don't have to do it if you don't want to do it. Then I go ahead and I use my Ghost Bond. And I'm going to do it in sections. So I just start in the middle. And I hit little dots. I try to stay right on my hairline of where I put the bald cap at. So I do that. I use a comb and I just rub it down. I like to go back because I don't want to put my wig too low down on my forehead. And then I'm going to wait until this dries all the way clear before I put the second coat down. Okay, so as you guys can see, it is dried pretty clear now. So I'm going to go ahead and put my second coat on. Ooh, that's a big one. So I'm gonna let this dry down until it is almost clear. Like, I can still see it there, but it's not invisible. And then I'm gonna go ahead and put my wig down. Okay, so right about now is when I put my wig down. So gonna just, yes, okay, so start with the middle. Okay, so when I'm putting it down, I start with the middle. I pull the side down. And I do the other little edge piece over here. And I try to keep the hair as back as possible. As back as possible. And what I like to do, just to ensure that it's really getting glued down as best as possible, is when I'm putting the lace directly on the glue, I like to stretch it just so I know it's really getting into like the little dots. That's just what I do personally. I feel that it helps it get down a lot easier, and it kind of helps with gluing it. It dries a lot quicker, in my opinion. Comb the glue in. Push down. You can push down. Use a clean comb to do this. And you just kind of just push lace into the glue. Push the lace into the glue. Push the lace into the glue. When you are cutting your lace off, if you're a beginner, cut the lace off before you put the wig on your head. I know there's all those methods where they use a razor and stuff like that. It does help you get a cleaner cut, but don't do that if you're a beginner. You will mess up, okay? It will be hard. You will get glue everywhere. You probably cut too much of the lace off. And try to leave a little extra lace. Now, don't go overboard when you leave the lace. Just a little extra lace. Because when it's plucked and all of that, you can see that it is plucked. But you can go ahead and apply extra glue to where the lace is right at the front. And it'll help it stick down a lot easier. And then when you do your baby hairs, you're just gonna go ahead and cover that lace up. So, okay, I like to check to make sure it's glued down. If I can do this and it's not really moving, I know it's down. On the sides especially, I really like to push it as far back as possible. Not too crazy, but like a much more secure hold, especially on the sides. The sides are the first to start lifting. And just let this dry clear again. Try to keep the lace out of the glue as much as possible. So I'm gonna move my clip here. Try not to touch the lace. Again, try not to touch the lace. You don't want to get like any extra oils and stuff into it while it's drying. Let it dry as clear as possible before you touch it. And you see right here, it's pretty much dry. There's this area right here that's not that dry yet, or not completely dry yet. down and stretch. Pull it down and stretch. Pull it down and stretch. Pull it down and stretch. Okay, on the sides, I hope you guys saw that clearly. I like to pull the sideburns down. Okay, so this is what it looks like. I did not put foundation on my wig again because I'm going to put it on after. I'm trying to reduce the amount of product that goes on the glue. That's a personal preference of mine. Some people put it on under. Sometimes I do put it on like on the wig directly before I go ahead and glue it down. But that's why it is kind of ashy looking in some areas. Go ahead, pull your little baby hairs down. Any areas where you want to cut more baby hairs, comb everything down. Keep your sideburns down. Yeah, so I have all my baby hairs combed down. Then I'm gonna tie my hair down with a nice little scarf, just to make sure like the glue like really like gets intact. And then after I do that, I am going to come back and show you guys how I style my baby hairs and how exactly I make the wig look not so ashy in the certain areas where you can clearly see the lace. So we're gonna take care of all of that, but I'll be right back. Lay your wig without having makeup on. I'm probably gonna say this in the beginning, but I'm gonna say it again. Lay your wig without having foundation on, especially in the forehead area. It's gonna get so caked up, so nasty. It's gonna just look disgusting before you even like make any progress in your wig. I think that's about it. Thank you guys for watching, and I hope this was extremely helpful. Again, if there's anything that you guys want me to film specifically about this hair, just ask and I will definitely film it for you.